In this video, I will show you how to add Google Drive as a drive in your laptop. So, must you need open any browser and search here Google Drive Desktop. So, this one Google Drive, select it, download and install on your PC. And it will ask to log in. So, log in your account with your Google Drive. So, this way you can increase your laptop size. So, inbuilt memory is 195 free, and also I can use this 185 GB for Google Drive. Thanks for watching.